Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new project and selecting the correct aspect ratio for your final platform. Import the clips you need from gallery or cloud storage so everything is on the timeline. Once done, set resolution and frame rate to avoid re-export issues. This saves time and preserves quality. Make sure to name the project and organize clips into folders if you have many, because neat source material speeds editing and reduces mistakes later. You drag and arrange clips on the timeline, trimming the in and out points to tighten your story. Use layers to add text, overlays, or graphics so elements remain editable. This is how you build visual hierarchy. Once clips are placed, apply transitions and color filters to maintain consistency and adjust clip speed where pacing matters. Make sure to zoom the timeline for frame-accurate cuts, because small adjustments often make the biggest difference in flow and rhythm. You now balance audio levels, add background music, and apply ducking for clear narration. These steps polish your edit. Preview the entire video to catch sync issues, jump cuts, or accidental gaps and fix them before export. When ready, choose codec, resolution, and bitrate that match your platform, then export. If export fails, check storage space and app permissions first. Clearing cache or restarting the app often resolves stuck exports quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.